them lions roar. The lion could be heard for 20 miles.
I don't gotta say much. You see the hard work and the sweat and the dirt. I just put these bills on, so.
Charles, how you been? Good to see you. Where have you been?
I've been every day, man.
Okay, they have an argument. He says that ninjas move in silence, and I told Chop Chop that lions roar. Are you supposed to make noise when you train or be quiet?
Well, I mean, there's certainly a benefit to us doing a hard punch. You may not need to do it on every single punch, but there's time when you're doing a hard punch.
But in karate, you yell when you hit.
Well, same thing, but the maximum force, you know, these both forces you're gonna create tension, fucking holding your breath and letting it out through right?
Hey, he says you're right. You're supposed to make some noise when you land big punches.
You want to throw them with bad intention. Can't throw over there fucking say patty cake with the fucking bag.
He's handsome.
Handsome boy. Yeah.
If you're handsome, what is Chop Chop's nickname?
Chop Chop.
I love those gloves though. They look cool.
They're like the old plastic.
They look like, but they're not.
Tell them who gave them to him.
Who gave you the nickname?
Oh, his dad. His big homie. My little bro right Big bro.
Yeah, Mikey's making a comeback and he's gonna fight the winner of Pacquiao Barrios.
What happened?
They're asking me on the live, is Manny coming back? I'm like, yeah, he's gonna fight the winner of Pacquiao Barrios.
Oh yeah, he is?
Yeah.
He's
He's working every day on his comeback.
Oh yeah.
He's at the gym right now. I can't show him because it's top secret. 147. He never fought bigger than 140, right? Except one time.
No?
Yeah. Were you there?
No. I only went to the weigh. Wait, no, I thought I was there. I wasn't there.
Chopping down a tree. Crawford gets mad because I pick against him because Crawford knows who's the #1 guy in the sport.
What happened?
They said, why does Crawford get mad when I pick against him? I said, because ES News is the #1 boxing news outlet in the sport. If I was irrelevant, no one would get mad at me.
That's true.
When you have a lot of influence and millions of viewers, people tune in.
Your opinion matters.
That is correct. You don't want to pop the bag, so you're going easy on it, huh?
Yeah.
That's why he's going easy. He just doesn't want to pop it.
What
He doesn't want to pop the bag, so he's going easy on it.
Yeah, for sure. It's timing. Yeah, that one can't really hit it too hard. That's more about timing, speed.
Look at the speed. Manny Pacquiao style.
I'm tired.
Let's go. Time. How many more rounds? You did like 30 rounds today.
Huh?
How many more rounds?
So far in the back, they're like 8.
You getting ready for the 2028 Olympics?
Nah, I can't. Are you? Can you?
Yeah, everybody can. Yeah, pros can.
Yeah, bro, still can. Who else is at 147?
Who?
Cody, yeah. Once he wins this fight, he can fight Rolly.
He's a mandatory for Rolly, I think. Because they're fighting for the eliminator.